Hello, I am Rick Amrine and I serve as the Chief Information Officer and Chief of Staff here at Valparaiso University. It is a pleasure to welcome you to the Valpo campus. Whether you are joining us as a student, faculty, or staff member, we extend our warmest welcome. Our IT staff is comprised of dedicated professionals committed to providing excellent resources and technology services for our expanding campus community. While you will most commonly interact with our Client Services Division, this is only a small portion of our team comprised of more than 40 individuals working in 5 divisions, including Systems, Network and Telecommunications, Management Information Services, Technical Services, and Client Services. At this time, we will turn this over to our IT staff and our partner departments who will discuss our services and access to technology here at Valpo.
Thank you, Rick. Greetings and salutations. My name is Joanne Pesavano, and I'm the manager of OneCard services here at Valparaiso University. Your first interaction with technology on campus will be with the OneCard office. Your OneCard is your campus identification card. It gives you access to various buildings and events on campus, as well as access to the recreational facilities in both the ARC and the Fitness Center. You can use your OneCard ID to check out materials from both the Christopher Center and the Law School Library, as well as choose to use one of 3 optional accounts on your OneCard ID for purchases made both on and off campus. To obtain your OneCard, please visit the OneCard ID office located on the 2nd floor of the Christopher Center. Students, please register for classes prior coming to the card office. And staff, please remember to bring with you your Certificate of Employment form given to you by the Office of Human Resources. For more information on OneCard and OneCard services, please visit our website at valpo.edu/IT/OneCard. Thank you and have a great day.
I'm Al Praki, Client Services Technology Analyst. Once you have been issued your OneCard, you may visit one of our self-serve kiosks located in the Christopher Center or stop by the help desk at the 1st floor for assistance in changing your password. Your ValpoNet account consists of a single username and password which is synchronized across multiple accounts and opens online access to a wide range of information technology services here at Valparaiso University. The Account Management System is a self-serve utility that allows you to change your password once it expires or to recover a forgotten password at your convenience. The Account Management System can be accessed at apps.valpo.edu/AMS. For students, you will receive an email prior to your start date containing this information and your temporary password. For faculty and staff, a member of your department will give you your username to you. Temporary passwords are the same as your ID number listed on your OneCard. Once you have accessed the MS, click on Change Password in the top menu ribbon. Select a password that is at least 8 characters in length. The AMS contains instructions for setting up your challenge questions, changing your password, and more.
I'm Dave Sirkowski, the director of our Solutions Engineers Group. Once you have set up your ValpoNet account and changed your password, you can access our datavu system. The datavu system is available at datavu.valpo.edu. The system allows students to access class registration, academic records, fitness center registration, student accounts, your OneCard account, including dining dollars and Crusader cash, pay stubs, and much more. For employees, the datavu system provides access for fitness center registration and access to electronic pay stubs. datavu is a one-stop shop for all your Valparaiso University account information and data.
I am Mark DiMatteo, Director of Client Services. A major amount of communication takes place on our campus daily through electronic mail. Our email is provided by Gmail. Your link to communication will be through your Valpo email account. You can access emails via a short link, valpo.edu/Gmail. Your email address is comprised of your first name dot last name at valpo.edu. If your first name can be shortened, it will be based on your HR paperwork for employees or your registration information if you are a student. When visiting the valpo.edu/Gmail page, you will use your first name, last name, and your password will be the same as the one you set through the account management system.
Hi, I'm Becky Klein and I'm the Manager of Client Relations. One of our larger resources on campus for on-demand training is lynda.com. This online training library offers instructional videos on software, creative skills, and professional tools. It's available to all Valpo students and employees at no additional charge, 24/7 on any device anywhere in the world that you have an internet connection. Use this service to improve your skills or learn new ones. Our lynda.com access is provided through valpo.edu/r/lynda. Your username and password is the same ValpoNet login that you set up earlier.
I'm Kevin Steele, and I'm the Technology Training Specialist. Our IT department hosts several training events and opportunities throughout the semester. Our goal is to enhance and expand technology use throughout the campus. Training sessions are free to all university students and employees. If you are interested in the course schedule or registering, please visit bookwen.com/valpo. In addition to our regular training sessions and scheduled topics, our IT Client Services Division will be rolling out several other training initiatives to enhance our campus technology use. IT offers one-on-one, small group, and/or departmental sessions upon request. For information, you may contact me at kevin.steele@valpo.edu or at extension 6930. Blackboard Learn is the Valparaiso University online learning management system, which allows for learning to expand beyond the classroom. You may use Blackboard Learn in the courses you take or teach here at Valpo. You can access Blackboard Learn using a web browser at blackboard.valpo.edu. You will log in using the same ValpoNet username and password you set up earlier.
I am Paul Obsansky, Director of Technical Services. Our team is responsible for hardware and software deployment and troubleshooting across campus. Over 330 computers are housed in public computer labs. The largest computer lab is located in the lower level of the Christopher Center. There are also 24-hour computer labs in the Hari Union and all residence halls, available to all Valpo students. To log into the machines, use the same ValpoNet username and password that you created in an earlier step. For students, we have established a guide for minimum computing requirements to ensure that the equipment you bring to campus meets any software requirements for the current academic year. The minimum requirements can be found on the IT website at valpo.edu/IT. For employees, your department will work with IT to provide you with your accounts, a working computer, a telephone, and printing access. For specialized equipment requests, please request a consultation between your department and IT staff to determine how we can accommodate your needs.
I am Jason Kellerman, Network Administrator. All Valparaiso University buildings that directly affect employees, teaching, learning, and supporting services are served by a secure, high-speed connectivity. All academic buildings and residence halls also have wireless connectivity available. For employees to access the network from your workstation, you simply need to log in during the boot process on your office computer. For students, every residence hall room is provided with a high-speed network port for each bed, which uses an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector. Wireless internet service is available in all academic and residential buildings on campus. Simply connect to the Valpo SSID using your wireless settings on your computer or device.
I am Justin Hunt, Telecommunications Technician. Valparaiso University provides campus and local phone service for all faculty and staff offices on campus. Each office has a telephone with a campus extension, and each employee gets a voicemail box. Setting up your voicemail is an important step to prevent missed calls. Long-distance calls are permitted on the campus phone system. International calling may not be activated for all extensions. Accepting collect calls is strongly discouraged and will result in fees being charged to your department. Local phone service for students who live in the residence halls is available upon request. Contact your RA or RLC to request a phone in your room, and contact the help desk to request a phone line and voicemail box. Students must use a calling card to place long-distance calls from campus phones. Emergency phones are available throughout campus and connect to the Valparaiso University Police Department. More information can be found at valpo.edu/IT.
I'm Kevin Ledbetter, Systems Administrator. Valparaiso University uses Microsoft Active Directory to manage storage servers and to grant you private storage space on a network, as well as shared storage space, which is utilized by most departments on campus. Each user has access to their own network storage space, their H drive or their home drive. We encourage the use of network drives versus saving files locally on your C drive. We keep backups of all files stored on the network, which makes recovery much easier if your own computer experiences issues or needs to be re-imaged or replaced. Shared drives are set up for employees and student aides at the request of individual departments. To access files on network drives from off-campus or on a non-university computer, point your web browser to webstorage.valpo.edu and log in with your ValpoNet username and password.
I am Brandon Morrison, Help Desk Manager. The IT Help Desk is your first point of contact for any technology-related issues or questions you may have. The Help Desk can assist you with most challenges you encounter on your personal computer, whether Mac or PC. Those on duty operating the desk can solve many different connectivity and software-related problems and can help you get connected with the right people if you are having trouble with campus technology. The IT Help Desk is open 7 days a week and is located across from Grinders at the first floor of the Christopher Center. You can call them at 219-464-5678. You may even enter your own request online at helpdesk.valpo.edu. The IT website is the best place to find help online, anytime and anywhere about Valparaiso University's technology tools for learning. The IT website can be found at valpo.edu/IT.
As you can see, there are several aspects of technology here on the Valparaiso University campus that make up information technology. The information in this video is included in our Getting Started guides. Please feel free to review this video, peruse the Getting Started guides, or stop by the Help Desk for assistance. It is our pleasure to welcome you to Valparaiso University. We wish you the best of luck in your endeavors while you are working and learning with us.